Boys, your attractiveness, right up here. Right up here, bro. If you feel attractive, you're gonna look attractive no matter what. It really just doesn't matter, bro. With that confidence of attractiveness, you'll be unstoppable. And today, I'm gonna show you those Psych tricks you can deploy to always feel attractive. It's gonna make you look attractive. Let's hop into this. Number one, I need you to do positive affirmations. Positive affirmations is just you telling yourself positive things. And you need to understand that you need to do this because by default, you do negative affirmations 24/7. What it means is you're negatively putting yourself down all the time. In your head, you're thinking, man, I'm too short, I'm too ugly, I'm awkward, I'm weird, I just said something stupid. Oh, they're probably talking about me. You're always thinking the worst about yourself. This is just how your brain works, right? Your brain hates losses, so because it's so loss adverse, it only focuses on your losses. Well, I want you to reprogram your brain to focus on the positive stuff, right? Look at yourself in the mirror and tell yourself, yo, you're good looking. Yo, you're smart. Yo, you're capable. You're a hard worker. You're attractive. Tell yourself all the good things you want to hear about yourself every day in the mirror, and then use that energy to carry yourself the rest of the day. Which takes us on to number two. Keep your energy high. Look, when your energy is high, that's when your confidence and your motivation peak at the same time. We should honestly use energy, motivation, and confidence interchangeably. When either of these are high, the other two follow suit, meaning I need you to focus on your sleeping. I need you to focus on your diet. I need you to focus with going to the gym. I promise you right now, you go to the gym consistently, you sleep well, and you eat well, you will feel better, more energetic, and more confident, thus making you look more attractive. And I want you to take me up on that challenge. Do that for the next 30 days and come back to this video and let me know if I lied to you. Number three, wear what you love. Look, style tips only work as far as you start to wear what you love and what actually makes you feel great. That is my only and sole goal with Essentials. Genuinely design pieces that make men feel great. Matter of fact, today, boys, today is May 6th, which you already know. I've been telling you already. Today we're having a sale, 30% off. You saw me about a week ago. The Tesla winner took the Tesla already. I felt a little bit bad. The dude won a $60,000 custom Tesla from our last launch. We're going to do the same thing again. See, not only do I want everybody to win, so we're doing a 30% off sale. On top of that, for every item you buy, you're going to get entered to win $10,000 cash. We had an extra 10K lying around. We're always pulling cash for these giveaways. And now we got 10K to give away to one lucky guy. All you got to do is click the link down below, buy pieces for Essentials. The more you buy, the higher chances to win. And not only that, buy pieces that you're going to love to wear all the time, that's going to lift up your confidence and make you look attractive. See, that's what I do when I design clothing with Essentials. If I wouldn't wear those, I'll give you an example right now. You can't see them, but what I'm wearing down here, these are a sample Essential pants. These are dress tech trousers that are dropping for Q2. I have been wearing these at least 3 times a week. At least 3 times a week to wear the hell out of them. I want to know how they sit, what their silhouette, how they feel, how you walk in them. This is what I do with every single piece of Essentials. If I wouldn't wear this daily, I just won't create it. That is the standard. I want pieces that you can wear daily and make you feel good in. If you want those style of pieces, you're not going to get them anywhere else, bro. You're going to get them from the best basic store there is, which is Essentials. And if you guys want to pick up pieces at only 30% off, which we rarely do sales, click that link down below. Number 4, you need to have great posture. See, your exterior affects your interior. And if you're always walking around bummed out, tired, defeated, I'm telling you, that's exactly how you're going to feel. As soon as you start fixing up your posture, it's going to be uncomfortable at first, but now you look taller, you look more confident, you look more dominant, and more importantly, you start tricking yourself into feeling more confident, which thus actually makes you feel more confident and attractive. Number 5, invest in a grooming routine. There is no way in hell that a grown man does not have a proper grooming routine every morning. I've showed you mine. It takes me 5 minutes in the shower to do everything. Shower, shampoo, condition, body wash, scrub, facial cleanse, moisturizer, fragrance. You can do all the basics that you need to make sure you're always looking on point in less than 5 minutes. And the best part is, the more you invest time and effort into yourself, the more you're gonna see it pay off. The more attractive you're gonna look in the mirror, and the more attractive you're gonna feel because of the value you're dumping into yourself. Number 6, I want you to be self-aware. See, this is what this channel is all about. You'll go back to my first video, you're gonna see some awkward bald kid that could barely talk into a camera. See, I was self-aware enough to understand all of my weaknesses, and then I just documented everything I fixed in my life on YouTube videos. Everything, every tip that you see me dump on you are things that I've applied in my own life first because I had to fix it. I was awkward talking to girls, I had to fix that. I was skinny with a big head, I had to fix that and put on muscle. I couldn't dress, I had to fix it. See, every single thing I was self-aware about, I want you to be the same as well. I want you to take a hard look in the mirror and be like, all right, what am I lacking in? My charisma, my confidence, my ability, my game, my ability to talk to girls, my style, my grooming, whatever you're lacking in, I want you to fix it. Which ultimately takes us to number 7, talk to more girls. How many times have I told you, if you are single, you should be networking. You should be connecting with multiple girls at the same time. You're not settling down right now. You're getting to know you. You're getting to know what type of girl you like and who you vibe with the best. And what ends up happening is that by default, the more people you connect with, the more attractive you're gonna feel. And that's basically it for this 6th video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, today is our essential sale. You're not going to want to miss it. 30% off. If you guys want to check that out, it'll be linked down below as well. That's it for your boy. See you next time.